All right, hello. This is Nico for bcomm. I'm recording both screen and video. Okay, so apparently you cannot click this little area right here, the actual screencast area, because whenever I went and clicked it, it does not. It will pause the recording. Watch, I'm going to click it right now. It should be recording my screencast and my video, so you can watch my disbelief as it happens. And there it is, right there it stopped. But otherwise, it's actually not too bad. It's pretty straightforward. You can see on my screencast, I actually started kind of writing this from the beginning, watching it as I kind of got introduced to the landing page and all of that. Because when it opens up, you see the video on one side, and then start recording on the other side. And I took the time I wanted to watch the video because I wanted to kind of know what it is, because I didn't know that you could get this stuff for free. It's pretty cool. But it's great to look at, and it's not that bad. I found it pretty easy to use. It's a little confusing at first because it does not tell you that if you click on it, it will in fact stop recording, which is an odd thing to do because there's so many different options to play with that why not be able to switch from both to just the screencast, or from the screencast to both, or to the video? Who knows? But it's it's interesting. So I like this program. And I'll be putting most of what I said here onto my paragraphs because this is just kind of my opinion of this program. It wasn't too bad. So thanks everyone if you watch this. Remember not to click the thing, otherwise it'll stop recording. Don't click it here in the bottom because it will in fact stop recording. It's weird, but it does it. Thank you.